In this star projector review, I am just going to focus on this one. I do have another video that has a few, but for the purposes of this video, I will just take a look at this one. So I've had about a week to test it out. The one thing I really like about this one is that it has a moon, and as you know, if you've watched my previous video, they must have a projector moon, and it's decent. It doesn't look too cartoonish, I guess. So this one has a Bluetooth, right? So you can connect your phone, although I do not think the speakers are good enough anyways. So I use external speakers of mine if I want to listen to music while enjoying this unit. This also is a spear, as you can see. And what that gives you is the ability or flexibility to point this wherever you want it. So I use the ceiling. You can point it to a wall, just go like that, or even the floor it could reach. For me, I like to include this in my meditation and relaxation regimen. Some people use candles to stare at. I like using projectors. Now, in terms of the remote, I will show you shortly. This has a lot of options as compared to just using the buttons on here. In regards to the sound quality, as I mentioned, it's not the best if you are looking for that like a sound bar type of quality. But if you just want to use it for light music in the background, it will do the job. Now, this is not portable. You do need to plug it in for it to run, and I have left this on for hours with no problem whatsoever. In terms of cost, this is in the average range. In the American marketplace, this will be in the 30s, and I had it shipped to Canada, so obviously in Canadian dollars it was in the 40s. So now let's take a look at its features. So this is the basic buttons for this unit. This button here is to switch the LED projection. So you press it once, the moon and the star projections turn off. Press it again, the moon and cloud projections turn off, and press it a third time, the cloud and star projections are turned off. The fourth time you press this, the moon is off. The fifth time you press this, the star is off. The sixth time you press this, the cloud is off, and the seventh time you press this, returns to the start mode. You press this mode, that will change the LED clouds colors. This is on and off. This is the audio mode, so you press the button, and when this unit hears any external sounds, the LED and laser will pretty much blink according to the music or the sound. And this is the cloud dynamics speed adjustment, so how fast the clouds are moving. This here are the USB ports and the DC inputs. The remote control, I recommend using this just because you have a bit more options. Here is the on and off button. This is the LED cloud control. This is the LED projection graph control. F1 is the LED color hopping. F2 is the color anamorphism, and I'll show you this shortly. Bluetooth is right here, and USB connection, so you can switch back and forth. The laser mode, basically you press it for the first time, it has the laser star illuminates. Press it for the second time, then you have the laser star which turns off, so it cycles if you keep pressing it. The audio mode is right here if you want to put on some external sounds for it to blink on and off with. This is the LED cloud brightness adjustment. This is the color green. This is the color red. This is for your audio Bluetooth speaker here to control that. This is cloud blue. If you press this, cloud white. You press this if you want to speed up the cloud movements. And this is for if you want the cloud to just stay put, and this is to decrease the speed move or these cloud movements right here. This you can time how long you want it to. You can set it for an hour. You can set it for 2 hours. Or you can cancel it right here. So the battery here, it does not come with the package, but it is the AAA's.